As the focus on infection control becomes greater than ever before, Belimed has transformed to bring expertise across the full spectrum of the sterilization process. We are now broader and stronger, bringing effective, integrated solutions across 6 areas: planning and design, manufacturing, servicing, consumables, training and education, and a greater investment than ever into digitalization. It's a timely and important transformation from engineers of machines to engineers of confidence.